Once you have enrolled to become a provider for Plus Orthodontics, it's time to log into the platform and customize for your practice. Let's begin by logging in. You'll enter the email address that you used to create the case and the password you created at that time as well. After you log in, you will be directed to the home page. On the home page, you can access any of the patient information that you need readily and easily using a few simple clicks of the mouse. On the landing page, in the center of the screen, you will see that there is an area for patients that need treatment approval. These are patients that you have submitted to Plus Orthodontics for evaluation by a Plus Orthodontics doctor to see if they are a good candidate for treatment with clear aligner therapy and Plus Orthodontics. In the next section, you will see all of the cases that have been approved that are either in the setup process or evaluation process with one of the Plus Orthodontics team doctors. At the bottom of this section, you will see any of the patients that have recently started treatment where the clear aligners have been ordered and shipped to your office. If you're ready to submit a patient case for a new evaluation, you can do so using the green button at the top left hand of the screen. Under the Your Items section, you can add new team members or add a new practice location. After we've reviewed and taken a look at any of our patients that need treatment approval or followed up on progress for any of our patients that are going through their Plus Orthodontics journey, we can go to the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen. If we click on our patients, this will take us to our patients in a list view format. If you know the patient that you would like to see, you can also type in either their name, birthday, or their patient reference number at the toolbar at the top to go quickly to that patient. Let's go ahead and click the Patients tab. Here we see our patients that have a pending action. We can see our patients that are currently in prep with Plus Orthodontics, having either their treatment setup created or an evaluation done. If we click on the cases in treatment, you will be able to see the patients that are currently going through their clear aligner treatment. And under the Inactive tab, you will see those cases that were either not approved or the patient was not a candidate for clear aligner treatment. Let's go ahead and go back to our home page, and let's take a look at the patient that needs treatment approval. I'm going to click on the patient, and I'll be brought here to that patient's screen. It will have the patient's demographic information at the top, and then below there is a toolbar that shows the patient and their status in their clear aligner journey with Plus Orthodontics, either under evaluation, treatment setup, active treatment, or retention. This patient was submitted for an evaluation with a Plus Orthodontics orthodontist, and the results of that evaluation are posted in the text screen below. You can scroll through the evaluation. It will give the patient's information, practice location, and treating doctor's name or their general dentist's name. It will have the evaluation date, and if the case has either been approved or declined for treatment with Plus Orthodontics. This evaluation will also contain the recommended treatment level, either treatment level 1, 2, or 3, and any comments from the evaluator. Should you wish to communicate with the evaluating orthodontist, you can do so by typing a question at the bottom of the screen. You can see the ongoing conversation between the general dentist and the evaluating doctor, and you can type any additional comments. After reviewing the evaluation from the Plus Orthodontics evaluator, you can go to the green button to either approve to proceed with the treatment planning process. When you click on approve, you will need to acknowledge that the patient does not have any dental caries, active periodontal disease, or TMJ symptoms that would contraindicate treatment. You'll also need to indicate if you would like to see the treatment set up before it is approved and the clear aligners are ordered. Please note, should you wish to review the treatment setup, there is a fee if you choose to not move forward with treatment. However, if you do move forward and if the clear aligners are ordered, this will be applied to the case fee. When you're ready to approve, you can click submit. If we go back to this patient's page, we can see that if the patient does not want to proceed, we can click the red button, and this patient will be archived and can be reactivated should they wish to proceed in the future. There is a summary of the evaluation details, files, and treatment goals on the right-hand side of the screen. However, should you wish to see any additional files, you can click on the patient's files to see the records that were submitted. And if you go to the History tab, you can see the ongoing conversation between yourself and your office and the evaluating doctor with Plus Orthodontics. If we go to the Settings tab, this is where you can select the green button and add additional team members so that they will have individual access to the Plus Orthodontics portal. This can be very helpful in a large practice where there are multiple dental assistants or treatment coordinators that may be uploading records for you. Please note that it is possible to edit the active or inactive status or to update emailing addresses using the Actions tab on the right-hand side. If we go to the Billing tab, this will bring up the information for your practice, for the evaluations and treatment starts for the month. There will also be your invoice history, including any outstanding or paid invoices. You can update billing information for your credit card on file, and you can update any additional billing contact information. As you can see with the convenient patient portal, it's easy to keep all of your patients and their cases organized to see where they are in their clear aligner journey. In our next video, we will take a look at how to submit a new patient evaluation.